Hello everyone, welcome to this short video. I will get straight to the point. So this video will focus on finding Zotero and downloading it. Zotero, as you would remember from my last presentation, it's a referencing software. So go straight to Google and type in Zotero. So that will take you to the website, Zotero. Just simply click on that. It's better if you use a PC or laptop. I'm not sure how it would work on the phone, but I would recommend you use a computer first. Okay, so here it is. This is the website. So you just scroll down and it says here download. So you click on that. It's free, you don't have to pay anything. So just click download and it will take you to this page. And you can Zotero 6 for Windows. So if you're using Windows operating system, then you click on this and it will automatically download. Now, if you want to use with Chrome connector, I use this because when I'm looking for articles or using Google Scholar, it will automatically store the article that I set on Zotero. But I've found over the years that sometimes it just, I choose articles and I download and I store, and then later I find out I don't need it. So for most parts, use this one, Zotero 6 for Windows. So you click on that, and then it will start downloading here. Okay, so once you've done that, just go to your download folder and go to downloads. And if you click all the way down, it should show you here, Zotero setup. And you just click on that and it will take you through to the steps of installation. But I have already installed mine, so I will not proceed with this part of the step. So I'm just going to close it. So there, it will just down there. You can even do a right mouse click and then you, where is it? Just go to open and it will automatically open the file and start installing it into your computer. You just follow the prompts. Once you have it installed, you will see an icon like this. And then that's it, you are ready to use. In my next video, I will show you how you can use Zotero to manage your files. Let me just open it just to show you the layout of the software. So this is the general layout of the software. And in my next presentation, I will go through how you can navigate around this screen. So that's it for this short video of how to find Zotero and download it and installing it onto your computer. Thank you.